to the Dram Diaries. I'm Peter, and I've got another double dram blind. So 2 whiskeys. I don't know what they are, but I'm going to let you know what I would like to pay for them, and if I would even like to purchase a bottle of these. So let's start with Glass A. Lightly sweet and fruity, and some honey. Not too much going on. I'm wondering if these are kind of lower proof, maybe. Okay, this one has a little bit more oomph to it. A little more, spice, maybe? I don't know. Okay, let's go for the palate on Glass A. It's kind of fruity. It's nice. It's very mild. I'm going to give that another sip. It's almost like berries. It's very fruity. It's tasty. I like that. It has like a interesting kick on the finish. All right, Glass B. I like this one better. It tastes like it has a more oily mouthfeel. Like it actually feels viscous, and it tastes more of like an oozing caramel as far as the sweetness goes. But also, I don't know, I'm getting like berry on it as well. Gosh, I don't think these are very high proof. But what would I want to pay for these? Man, I could see this one going for $40 maybe. And this, I don't know, $60 bottle? That's tasty, man, whatever that is. All right, let's see. Last place was A. Got my little sample bottles here. Oh, Maker's Mark. Maker's Mark, 90 proof, regular old Maker's Mark. Well, okay. I think that's roughly I want to say $30 bottle maybe in Oregon. Oh, this one was Rabbit Hole Dareringer, 93 proof, an $80 bottle. It does taste more expensive. They're both wheated bourbons, but I think this one is finished in like sherry casks. So I think that, yeah, that makes sense where that more kind of luscious mouthfeel is coming from. I don't know if it's $80 good. I don't know. If you like lower proof stuff, it's pretty tasty, but I think it should be a $60 bottle. And well, there you go, Maker's Mark. I think I said I'd pay what, $40 maybe for that. Very interesting. I don't typically get like a fruit on Maker's Mark, but that's what I'm getting right now. Wow. Okay, well, till next time.